In gyms, parks, and living rooms around the world, one movement stands out as a cornerstone of physical fitness: the squat. Today, we'll dive deep into how this powerful exercise builds strength and enhances overall health and cognitive function. The squat is a dynamic exercise that mimics natural movement patterns. It's not just an exercise, it's a fundamental human movement essential for lifting, sitting, and bending.
To start with your squat, you can keep your feet roughly shoulder-width apart and then push your hip back and then go down by bending your knees all the way down, and while coming up, push through your heels and push your knees out and stand. You can repeat this movement. If you feel that this range of motion is difficult for you, you can use a support like a chair or a box.
Squats engage multiple muscle groups. The primary movers are the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Your core muscles, including the abdominals and lower back, are critical in stabilizing. Regular squatting improves flexibility, balance, and coordination. These enhancements translate into easier movement patterns in daily life, from climbing stairs to bending down to pick things up. But the benefits of squatting extend far beyond muscles. By increasing leg strength and endurance, squats help improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of injury, and support better joint health.
Regular strength training can improve your hormone balance and metabolism, and this is really good for your overall organ health.
And let's not forget the brain. Physical activity, including squatting, increases blood flow to the brain, which can enhance cognitive functions like memory and concentration.
Exercises which challenges you in terms of coordination and balance, like squat, can trigger neural pathway, and over a period of time, this reduces the risk of cognitive decline.
So whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, incorporating squats into your routine can offer profound health benefits. Remember, the best way to start is by focusing on proper form to maximize benefits and prevent injury.
Start small, stay consistent, and watch yourself transform into a beautiful, healthy life.
Join us next time for more insights into how simple movements can lead to big changes in your health and quality of life. Stay active, stay healthy.